designed by Riveras. My name is Luis Rivera, and today's video I will guide you step by step how to do this beautiful makeup, and especially this eye look. Before you start, don't forget go and click on the subscribe button, and remember share, like, and share with all your families and friends who you think can enjoy see this video. And now, let's begin. In the following video, I am not going to do voiceover all the time because I am sure in the way we produce this video you can follow step by step, or you can enjoy only the way we do the video. And the makeup. Is every product available and every technique to you can follow in the case you want to recreate this video. I mean, this makeup. But before everything, once you see this video, we will appreciate if you can take your time and send us in the comment section whatever idea you have to we can recreate or something we can produce special for you, and we will do a shout out doing that video in specific for you and your family. Then you can contact us too for all our social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter. Or you can send us your ideas to our email dbyriveras@gmail.com. We can't wait for receive all that emails and comments. Thank you one more time and enjoy the rest of the video. Please don't limit your ideas. No matter how simple or how crazy you think your idea is, share with us your imagination and we will try to recreate what you sent us. See you and enjoy.
Long nights alone, sleeping by myself with no one to hold. And I think, don't you worry my friend, you've got time. But right now I think I need someone who takes me to dinner and wine and kisses me every night. I just want somebody, somebody to love me like that. I just want somebody, somebody to love me like that. I just want somebody, somebody to love me like that. I just want somebody, somebody to love me like that. Tell me, what do you feel? Is it something inside of you that wants to be free? I said, we are young and afraid, but life is unpredictable. Can you be the one that takes me to dinner and wine and kisses me every night?
And here is the final look. We hope you enjoyed the process. If you cannot do the process, then we hope you enjoy see the video and how we create this kind of look. Remember, don't forget before you leave, subscribe, share and like, and share with all the people you think can enjoy to see this video. You will help a lot with this to our community. Thank you one more time to be with us. This is Designs by Riveras. And my name is Luis Rivera. See you in the next. Bye.